If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Zelle, don't worry. This guide will help you navigate the verification process step by step. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that the information you provided matches the details on your bank account. This includes your name, address, and phone number. Any discrepancies can lead to verification failure. Step 2. Use the correct app. Make sure you are using the official Zelle app with your bank's app that supports Zelle. Using unofficial apps can cause issues with the verification process. Step 3. Contact your bank. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Try again later. Sometimes technical issues can cause temporary verification failures. Wait a few hours and try the verification process again to see if it resolves itself. Step 5. Follow up with Zelle support. If all else fails, contact Zelle's customer support directly. They can help troubleshoot the issue and guide you through the necessary steps to successfully verify your identity. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with identity verification on Zelle. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.